Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install OpenEMR on Ubuntu 24.04 server. In this guide, you'll be running OpenEMR with the LEMP Stack, Linux, Nginx, MariaDB, and PHP. So for now, you'll be installing those packages through the apt repository. After the installation is complete, check the Nginx service status. Make sure that Nginx is running and enabled. Continue to check the MariaDB service and the PHP-FPM service. Once the LEMP stack is installed, let's configure the PHP-FPM installation. Edit the following file. Modify the default configuration as follows. Save the file and exit the editor when done. Next, run the following command to change the ownership of the directory. Then, restart the PHP-FPM service. This will apply your changes to your PHP-FPM installation. Now that PHP is configured, let's configure the MariaDB server and create a new database for OpenEMR. First, run the following command to secure your MariaDB server. Next, you'll be asked about the following configurations. After securing the MariaDB server, you need to create a new database and user that will be used by the OpenEMR installation. Log in to the MariaDB server. Enter your MariaDB root password when prompted. Run the following queries to create a new database and user for OpenEMR. You can adjust the database details with your information. Next, run the following query to check privileges for your user. Make sure that the user can access the database. Now that you've configured the PHP-FPM and MariaDB server, the next step is to download the OpenEMR source code and set up the installation with proper permissions and ownership. Run the following command to download the file. Move and extract into the web root using sudo to handle permissions. Then, run the following commands to change the ownership of the directory. After downloading the OpenEMR source code, you'll create a new Nginx server block that will be used for running your OpenEMR installation. So make sure that you have your domain name ready and pointed to the server IP address. Now, create a new Nginx server block configuration. Insert the following configuration and ensure that you change the server name option to your domain name. Save the file and exit the editor. Next, run the following command to activate the OpenEMR server block and verify your Nginx syntax. If you're using correct and proper Nginx syntax, you'll see an output such as test is successful, syntax is okay. After that, run the following command to restart the Nginx web server and apply your changes. In this section, you'll install certbot and secure OpenEMR with HTTPS. Before setting up SSL, run the following command to open both HTTP and HTTPS services on your server. Now, install the certbot and Python 3 certbot Nginx plugins with the following command. After the installation is complete, run the certbot command to generate SSL certificates and secure your OpenEMR installation. Once the process is finished, your SSL certificates will be available. Also, your OpenEMR installation will be secured with HTTPS. Open your web browser and go to the following URL. First, the installer will check the permissions of the OpenEMR source code, so make sure you have proper permissions. Select the I have created the database option to set up your database integration. Enter your database details and the new administrator for OpenEMR. The database initialization will run, and your admin user will be created. Next, make sure your PHP configuration meets the OpenEMR requirements. Once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to the OpenEMR login page. Type your admin user and password, then click Login. If successful, you'll see the following OpenEMR dashboard. Congratulations! You've completed the installation of OpenEMR on the Ubuntu 24.04 server.